complete chicken coop. It is using cattle panels to create your roof. It has pallets that make up the sides, large tarp cover, screen already on. You disassemble and take away. Also comes with, as you can see, it's broken off into two sections. See if I can open this door. Some chickens in it right now. If you request the chickens, you can have the chickens with them, with it. There they are right there. Kind of newsy characters. It's separated into two sections. And we have a second nesting box to go with the back section. Okay, has lighting inside, and you disassemble and take it with you. Okay. Has a automatic watering system built onto it here. And the waterer is on the inside. Let me see if I can go inside and give you a closer look at the waterer.